Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a neat trick to create invisible folders on your Windows computer. These folders are hidden in plain sight, and nobody will be able to find them except you. So let's get started. First, right-click on your desktop and select New Folder from the menu that appears. Press the backspace button to clear the folder name completely. Now, here's the cool part. Press and hold the Alt button on your keyboard, then type 0160 using the numeric keypad. Finally, press Enter. Boom. Now you can see that the folder name has disappeared. To further camouflage our invisible folder, we can change its icon. Right-click on the folder and then click on Properties in the context menu that appears. In the Properties window, click on the Customize tab. Here, you'll find a variety of folder icons to choose from. For our invisible folder, let's select the transparent folder icon. Click Apply, and then OK to save the changes. Boom! Our folder is now completely invisible to others, blending in with the background. But wait, there's more. We can take it a step further by creating another invisible folder within our existing invisible folder. This way, even if someone stumbles upon the first invisible folder, they won't find the second one. To hide the folder from view, select the folder, go to the View tab, and click on Hide Selected Items. To view the hidden folder again, simply tick the Show Hidden Folders option. This will reveal your hidden folder. And finally, if you're having trouble finding your invisible folder on the desktop, press Ctrl+A to select all the items. Your invisible folder will be highlighted and easily visible. And there you have it. You've learned how to create invisible folders on your Windows computer. Now you can securely store your files without anyone else knowing. Remember, it's a clever trick, but make sure you remember where you've hidden your folders. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.